Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel. Thank you all for being here. I am Crafty Court, and it has been a while since I've done an art or decor video, but the motivation is here, so here we are. Today's project is something new. I want to change my living room, so I decided to give myself some new wall art. Since the summer is ending and autumn is fast approaching, I wanted to go for a cozy, feel, a cozy look. So here we are, and I am doing some measurements here because I want it to be a symmetrical look. So I won't say too much, just, vibe out, listen to the music and watch, and I'll be back here and there to let you know what I'm doing. This is molding paste or sculpting paste because this is a textured art project, and all the supplies I'm using will be linked in the description box. So I'm not going to leave anyone in the dark. I'll have everything set for you, okay? You can't tell here, but you could see so much of the white from the molding paste. It was so frustrating at this point because I felt like I just didn't do a good coverage, and you really can't see. I tried to zoom in there, but I became extremely frustrated, and I just was upset. I wanted to cry, and as you can see right here, this is when I was wanting to give up. There was a lot of the paste still showing, and I lost it. And don't give up on your artistic creativity and abilities, because there is always going to be a way to fix your mistakes. So always be encouraged. And I did have to go over and do another layer of the foil, but it all worked out just perfect. inspired.